You can make any woman desire you, even the one who swears she doesn't care. Not with money, not with looks, not with pickup tricks, but with quiet power, a kind of energy that doesn't chase, it attracts. Most guys don't get this. They think desire is random like luck, but desire can be triggered because women don't fall for words, they fall for energy. And when your energy shifts, so does the way she looks at you. So listen closely, because after this, you'll stop chasing her and she'll start wondering why she can't stop thinking about you. 1. Confidence. The quiet kind. Let me be real with you. Most men think confidence is about showing off. Big talk, loud energy, flexing at the gym mirror. But real confidence, it's quiet, it's slow, it's steady, the kind that doesn't need to announce itself. It's in how you walk into a room, not rushed, not nervous, not trying to make everyone laugh, just grounded, calm, centered. A confident man doesn't need to feel silence. He's okay with it. He doesn't need to prove he's strong. His stillness already says it. See, women can sense energy long before they process words. You could have the right looks, the right car, the right clothes, but if your energy screams, "Please notice me," why most men get confidence wrong, she feels it. And once she feels it, she's gone. Confidence tells her something deeper. It says, "I'm good on my own. I'm not desperate for your validation." That's what makes her relax around you. That's what makes her lower her guard. But here's where most men mess up, and they try to fake confidence. They act cold. They talk over people. They brag. But that's insecurity in a new outfit. True confidence is built quietly. Every time you keep a promise to yourself, you build it. When you wake up early instead of hitting snooze. When you say you'll hit the gym and you actually go. When you set a goal and finish it, even when no one's watching. That's where it grows. Every small win stacks up until one day you look in the mirror and you don't need anyone to clap for you. You just know. And here's the best part. Women feel that without you, how mystery keeps her chasing saying a word. It's in the way you breathe when she's talking. It's in your eyes when she tests you. It's in your body language when things get awkward. You don't fidget. You don't panic. You just exist. Confidence isn't the loudest guy in the room. It's the man who's unshakable when everyone else is losing it. It's peace disguised as power. When she feels that from you, she can't help but wonder, why does he feel so different? And that question, that curiosity, is the start of desire. To mystery, the magnet she can't ignore. Let me tell you something most men get wrong. Women don't fall for men they understand too quickly. They fall for the ones who leave them wondering. Mystery isn't about ghosting or acting like you don't care. It's about living in a way that keeps her curious, because curiosity keeps attraction alive. Think about it. When a movie gives away the ending in the first 5 minutes, do you keep watching? No. You lose interest. The same thing happens with people. When you overshare, over-explain, you kill the spark. You give away the thrill of discovering who you are, and that thrill is everything. See, mystery doesn't mean hiding your life. It means not giving all of it at once. If she asks what you do for fun, don't list everything. Say, "You'll see." Give her space to want to know more. It's about pacing, letting her learn you in layers, because every time she peels one back, she feels more invested. Now, here's the truth. Mystery comes from having your own life. When your days are full, when you're chasing something, when your time matters, she feels that you're not always available. Not because you're playing hard to get, but because you actually have things to do. And that's rare now. Most men drop building emotional depth everything for a text. They stop what they're doing for a call. You don't. You respond when you can. You don't chase. You don't rush. That's what pulls her in. Mystery says, he's not living for me, he's living for something bigger. And women crave that kind of man, the one who doesn't orbit around them. Keep this in mind. Predictability kills attraction. If she knows exactly when you'll text, what you'll say, what you'll do, she'll lose interest. You don't need to be inconsistent. You just need to be alive, do new things, learn new skills, be unpredictable because you're growing, not pretending. Live a story that she wants to be part of. Because deep down, every woman desires a man she can't fully figure out, not because he's hiding, but because he's becoming. 3. Emotional connection. The real game changer. Looks grab her attention, but emotion keeps her heart. A woman can be drawn to your face, your style, your vibe, but what makes her stay? It's how she feels around you. Emotional connection isn't built through words, it's built through presence. When she's talking, do you actually listen? Not waiting for your turn to speak, not scrolling through your phone, just listening deeply. When a woman feels seen and heard, her walls fall. She begins to trust you, and trust turns into desire. But here's where most men fail. They think connection means agreeing with everything. It doesn't. You don't have to fix her problems or rescue her emotions. Sometimes she doesn't want solutions. She wants to be understood. If she's venting, sit in silence. If she's sad, don't rush to make her smile. Just stay. Your calmness becomes her safety. Women remember how you make them feel, not what you say. And when you make her feel safe, not judged, not rushed, you become her peace. Every woman carries invisible weight, insecurity, pressure, pain. When you show her she doesn't have to pretend around you, that's rare. And rare makes you unforgettable. That's why the men who know how to connect emotionally, even without perfect looks or big money, win. Because they speak to her soul, not her ego. So next time you're with her, be still, listen longer, speak slower, and remember, she doesn't crave constant compliments. She craves understanding. 4. Purpose, the flame behind the man. Purpose changes everything. When you have it, you move differently. You talk. Purpose, the flame she respects differently. You feel different. Women are drawn to that, not because they want to use it, but because purpose signals something rare. A direction. It means you're not waiting for someone else to give you meaning. You already have it. A man with purpose doesn't chase women. He attracts them because his energy says, I'm busy building something. When she sees you focused, improving, grinding, working on your mission, she starts to respect you. Respect grows into admiration. Admiration turns into desire. But here's where men fail. They make her their purpose. They rearrange their whole life around one woman, hoping she'll stay. At first it feels romantic. Later it feels suffocating. She wants to join your mission, not be it. She wants to feel like she's walking next to you, not dragging you forward. Purpose doesn't have to be huge. It could be your career, your fitness, your side project, your art, anything that gives you fire. The key is that it's yours. When you live like that, your energy becomes magnetic. You're not needy, you're focused, and she feels that difference. A man with purpose is hard to distract. He doesn't waste time chasing approval because he already knows what he's working toward, and women love that energy. It feels masculine, secure, unstoppable, so never. Center your life around her. Center it around your mission, because a man with purpose doesn't have to beg for love. He becomes love. 5. Boundaries, the line between respect and weakness. Boundaries are the line between self-respect and self-betrayal. Too many men lose women not because they're bad, but because they have no limits. They let her cancel plans again and again. They laugh off disrespect. They give second, third, fourth chances, thinking patience equals love. It doesn't. Boundaries don't push women away. They make her respect you more, because a man who can say no is a man she can trust. She might test you, she might get angry, but deep down, she'll respect your strength. When you let things slide too often, she feels she can control you. And when a woman feels she can control you, attraction dies. You don't need to yell or threaten. Just be calm, be clear. If she crosses a line, speak once, and if it boundaries and respect happens again, step back. That silence says more than any argument. It says, I value myself. A man with boundaries isn't cold. He's grounded. He doesn't need to control her. He just won't betray his own peace. And when you live like that, you become someone she respects, not someone she tolerates. Remember, love without respect turns to pity. Respect without boundaries doesn't exist. So draw your lines, protect your time, and never be afraid to walk away from what doesn't honor you. 6. Presence, attraction. Without words, you don't need a script. You need presence. It's the energy that fills the silence between words. When you talk too much, you leak power. When you sit still, breathe slow, hold eye contact, she feels you. Presence is built in quiet moments. It's in how you move, how you stand, how your eyes stay calm, even when she's testing your patience. You don't rush, you don't fidget, you let time stretch. When she's near, let your words slow down. When you touch, let it be soft but steady. You're not grabbing, you're grounding. Women remember the feeling of your presence long after they forget what you said. It's not about charm or looks. It's about the energy of peace that makes her feel safe. So breathe slower, talk less, feel more. Presence is silent confidence. And silence, my friend, is loud. 7. Stop chasing, start becoming. Every man learns this lesson the hard way. The more you chase, the faster she runs. The more you try to prove your worth, the cheaper it becomes. You can't make someone see your value. You can only show it by becoming it. When you stop begging for attention and start building yourself, you shift everything. You walk differently. You talk differently. You start to glow differently. She feels it. She notices you stop chasing, and it triggers something primal. Curiosity. Now she's wondering, why doesn't he, how presence attracts, care anymore? And that's the twist. You never stopped caring. You just started caring about yourself more. Desire isn't created through pursuit. It's created through power, not dominance, self-mastery. Work on your body, work on your goals, work on your silence. Because when your life becomes full, her absence stops mattering. Then without even trying, you become magnetic. And the woman who once ignored you now feels the space you left behind. Don't chase her. Chase the man you could be, because when you finally meet him, she will too. This isn't about tricks. It's not about playing games. It's about stepping into your power quietly, steadily, unapologetically. Be the man who listens, the man who leads, the man who values himself enough to walk away when respect is missing. Do that. And even the woman who pretended she didn't care will start wondering, why can't I stop thinking about him? Because real attraction isn't chased, it's created.